Hoshaf is a Turkish drink dessert made of dried fruits like raisins, dried prunes, apricots, and figs. We often consume it with dishes without juices such as pilav and makarna, especially during Ramadan as a tradition. It was also widely served in Ottoman cuisine, and it's very easy to make. So let's begin. Ingredients are simple. I have half cup raisins, 1 cup apricots, half cup sugar, and going to flavor it with some cloves. First I'm going to wash my dried fruits. And it is optional, but since some of my apricots are very big, I'm gonna cut them into 2, and the smaller ones I just keep it as is. You can just keep them like this too. And going to put it back to my bowl, adding the raisins. I also washed them. And I'm going to soak them in some water before cooking. This way they soak up more water and swells, at least for about 30 minutes or even 1 hour. And now we can begin to cook them. Adding 1.5 liters of water. I'm gonna add 2 pieces of cloves. And before adding the sugar, we're gonna boil the fruits, dried fruits, with the water for at least about 30 to 45 minutes. You will understand from the look, they will swell. Right now they're not. And after about 30 minutes you can clearly see the changes. They are very soft and leave their flavor to the water. Now we can add the sugar. I put the heat back on high. Squeeze some lemon juice, about 1 teaspoon, and boil for 1-2 more minutes. And our apricot and raisin compote, or in Turkish kayısı kuru üzüm hoşafı, is done. Of course, before serving it, I'm gonna chill it completely. Then it will be ready. That day on the menu I had fasulye diblesi, rice with green beans, along with Turkish style chicken soup with noodles and carrots. So I serve it together, but traditionally I can say that it is eaten with a plain rice dish. But whatever you serve with it, it will suit all with its sweet and delightful flavor. I also shared the recipes of the dishes on the table. The green beans and rice and the chicken soup, you can check from the links, as well as my other menu ideas you can make. Thanks for watching. And I hope to see you in another delicious Turkish food recipes and travel vlogs. Afiyet olsun.